Capsa. My name is Sri. In today's video, we will take a deep dive into everything you need to know about Benadryl. We will explore how it works, its uses, side effects, and comparisons with other antihistamines like Claritin and Zyrtec. We will also explore its uses for pets, answer your most frequently asked questions, and share some practical tips for safe usage. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Benadryl? Benadryl is the brand name for diphenhydramine hydrochloride. It's classified as a first generation antihistamine, which means it blocks H1 histamine receptors in your body. This action makes it effective in treating a wide range of allergy symptoms. You will commonly find it in tablet form, but it also comes as a liquid, capsules, and even topical creams for skin related issues. Its effect lasts around 4 to 6 hours, which is why you might need multiple doses throughout the day if you are using it or for ongoing symptoms. When your body encounters an allergen such as pollen or pet dander, it releases a chemical called histamine. Histamine attaches to receptors in your body, causing symptoms like sneezing, a runny nose, itching, and hives. What Benadryl does is block these histamine receptors, specifically the H1 receptors. So, histamine cannot bind to them. This helps reduce or even completely stop your allergy symptoms. It's like turning off the switch that triggers your body's allergic response. Benadryl is a highly versatile medication with a variety of uses. Most people know it for relieving allergy symptoms, whether it's due to seasonal pollen or pet dander. But did you know it also helps with skin conditions like hives and rashes? It's great for stopping the itching and swelling caused by insect bites or poison ivy. Additionally, it's effective for preventing motion sickness, perfect for those long car rides or flights. Lastly, Benadryl is often used as a sleep aid because of its sedative properties, but this should only be for short term use. Let's talk about how to use Benadryl safely. For adults, the typical dose is 25 to 50 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours with a maximum daily limit of 300 milligrams. Children between the ages of 6 and 12 should take a smaller dose, 12.5 to 25 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, not exceeding 150 milligrams per day. For kids under 6, it's crucial to consult a doctor before use. If you are pregnant, Benadryl is generally considered safe, but always check with your healthcare provider first, especially during the first trimester. For breastfeeding mothers, be cautious. Benadryl can pass into the breast milk and might make your baby drowsy or irritable. Always consult your doctor if you are unsure. Like all medications, Benadryl can cause side effects. The most common ones include drowsiness, dry mouth, and dizziness. These effects are usually mild and go away on their own. However, some people may experience more serious side effects such as confusion, especially in older adults, or rapid heartbeat. In rare cases, it can trigger an allergic reaction. If you notice anything unusual, stop using Benadryl and seek medical help immediately. To stay safe while using Benadryl, avoid combining it with alcohol or sedatives, as this can make you excessively drowsy. Don't drive or operate heavy machinery until you know how it affects you. If you are elderly, pregnant, or breastfeeding, consult your healthcare provider before using Benadryl to make sure it's safe for your situation. For pregnant women, the safety of Benadryl is a common concern. It's generally considered safe, but it's crucial to consult your doctor, especially during the first trimester when the baby's organs are developing. Always aim to use the lowest effective dose and discuss your symptoms with your healthcare provider to ensure Benadryl is the best choice for you. Did you know Benadryl can also be used for pets? It's often given to dogs and cats to treat allergies, anxiety, and even motion sickness. However, the dosage is very different from humans, typically around 1 milligram per pound of your pet's body weight. Always consult a veterinarian before giving Benadryl to your pet to ensure it's safe and appropriate for their specific needs. Watch for safety side effects like citizens, dry mouth, and avoid using if your pet has certain conditions like glaucoma. Overdosing on Benadryl can be dangerous and even life threatening. Symptoms of an overdose might include extreme drowsiness, confusion, a rapid heartbeat, hallucinations, and difficulty in breathing. If you suspect an overdose, seek medical help immediately and provide as much as information you can about the doses taken. To prevent such incidents, always store Benadryl safely out of reach of children. Use proper measuring devices for liquid forms and double check the dosage instruction before use. If you are wondering whether to take Benadryl or Claritin, it depends on your needs. Benadryl works fast, usually within 15 to 30 minutes, making it ideal for acute allergy symptoms or emergencies like severe itching or hives. However, it causes drowsiness, so it's not the best option for daytime use. Claritin, on the other hand, is non drowsy and provides 24-hour relief, making it perfect for managing chronic or seasonal allergies. While Benadryl is great for short term use, Claritin is better suited for long term maintenance. Always consult your doctor to determine which one is right for you. When comparing with Benadryl to Zyrtec, the key difference lies in their generation and side effects. Benadryl is a first generation antihistamine, meaning it's fast acting but causes significant drowsiness, making it best for emergencies or nighttime use. Zyrtec, a second generation antihistamine, offers 24 hours relief with less sedation, though some people might still feel mildly drowsiness. Both are effective for allergies, but Zyrtec is more suited for daily management, while Benadryl is better choice for short-term or severe reactions. Choose based on your symptoms and lifestyle and consult your healthcare provider if you are unsure. To wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions about Benadryl. How often can you take Benadryl? Adults can take 25 to 50 mg every 4 to 6 hours, but do not exceed 300 mg in 24 hours. Always follow the recommended dosage. Can Benadryl be used as a sleep aid? Yes, it is often used to treat short term insomnia due to its sedative effect. However, prolonged use is not recommended. Is it safe to take Benadryl for insomnia? It can be safe when used occasionally, but chronic use may cause tolerance, or side effects. So, speak with your doctor if you experience ongoing insomnia. Can Benadryl cause drowsiness or dizziness? Yes, drowsiness and dizziness are common side effects due to its sedative properties. Avoid activities like driving after taking it. Can you take Benadryl with ibuprofen, acetaminophen, or other drugs? Benadryl can typically be taken with these medications, but always check for drug interaction or consult your healthcare provider. Is Benadryl safe for elderly patients? Caution is advised for elderly individuals as it may cause confusion, dizziness, or an increased risk of falls. Alternatives may be safer. When should I take Benadryl for rashes? Use Benadryl for rashes accompanied by itching or swelling, especially if caused by an allergic reaction. For persistent rashes, consult a doctor. Can you safely take Benadryl with alcohol? No, combining Benadryl with alcohol increases the risk of extreme drowsiness, dizziness, and impaired motor function. So avoid this combination. What is the safe Benadryl dosage for kids? Okay, so for children aged 6 to 12, 12.5 to 25 mg every 4 to 6 hours is recommended, with a maximum of 150 mg daily. For younger children, consult a doctor. Can I give my dog Benadryl for allergies? Yes, Benadryl is often used for pets. The general dose is 1 mg per pound of body weight. Always consult to a veterinarian first. What is the right dosage of Benadryl for cats or dogs? For dogs, the standard dose is 1 mg per pound. For cats, consult your vet, as cats may require different dosing based on their unique needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.